How to create unlimited Facebook account without getting disabled. If anytime you create Facebook and your Facebook account is always getting disabled, have no worry, because in this video I'm going to show you step-by-step procedures on how you can create a Facebook account without getting disabled. Before I show you the steps on how you can create Facebook account without getting disabled, I want to let you know that IP address is not the reason why your Facebook account is always getting disabled. The reason why I said IP address is not the reason why your Facebook account is always getting disabled is because IP address is being recycled. Now, what do I mean by IP address getting recycled? Now, for instance, if I log into Facebook account, that is, if I log into my Facebook account, my ISP, which is my internet service provider, assigns me with an IP address. Now, once I log out, that same IP address that my ISP assigned to me, they can also assign that same IP address to a different person. Now, let's assume that I violated Facebook community guideline and Facebook disabled my account. And Facebook also keep disabling people's accounts because they are using the same IP address that I used. As you can see, it will be unfair. So instead of Facebook disabling your account because of IP address, they will identify you by capturing your hardware ID, they will capture your time zone, they will capture your CPU, your screen resolution, your cookies, and so many other things. That is why it is not advisable to buy a used phone, because the person selling that used phone to you might have violated Facebook community guidelines. So it's advisable to always buy a new phone to create Facebook so you don't get disabled. But if you don't have money to buy a new phone, I'm going to show you how you can use that used phone to create Facebook so you don't get disabled. Now, first thing first, we are going to use the app called Brave. Now, let's go to Play Store to install the app called Brave. Now, this is Play Store. At the search bar of Play Store, let's write Brave and this app will pop up. Now, the reason why I said you should use this app to create Facebook is because it has these two features, which are AdBlock and VPN incognito web browser. Now, let's scroll up, install this app. Now, once you are done with the installation, tap open and it brings us here. Now, at the address bar of your Brave, now let's write facebook.com. Let's write facebook.com. Let's write /reg, facebook.com/reg, and it brings us here. Now tap at create new account. Now once you've tapped at create new account, it brings us here. As you can see, it says what's your name. Enter the name you use in real life. Now, if you don't want Facebook to disable you again, make sure you don't violate their community guideline. So please do well to write your original name. Now, so let's write our name. Let's write our original name. Now, once you've written your original name, now tap at next and it brings us here. Now also you have to input your real date of birth. You have to input your real date of birth. Now once you've imputed your real date of birth, now tap at next and it brings us here. As you can see, it says what's your gender. Now input your gender. Now tap at next and it brings us here. As you can see, it says what's your mobile number. If you want to use your email address, you can scroll down, tap at this sign up with email address. Now if you are using email address, make sure you create a new email address. And if you decide to use a phone number, please make sure to use a new phone number. Now tap at next and follow the remaining on-screen instruction to create a new Facebook account. Now that you have created a new Facebook account, if you don't want Facebook to disable you again, make sure not to violate Facebook community guideline. I repeat, don't go against Facebook community guidelines. Now, before I forget, before you create this new account, you should clear your cookies. After clearing the cookies, you can also factory reset your phone. It's as simple as that. If you don't know how to clear cookies or factory reset phone, you can tell me in the comment section and I'm going to show you how in my next video. I'm Kessie the Tech Guy. Please like, share and subscribe.